it's about trying hard to not be defined by the numbers that put pressure on all women. Like ako, di ba po, umuwikot na ako dyan kanina, nakatakong ako ng ganito, pero sa totoong buhay po, 4'10" lang po ako. Sobrang liit ko pong babae. And itong pagkamaliit kong to comes with different types of challenges. And sometimes, kahit na seryoso na ako, hindi pa rin ako siniseryoso. Kasi maliit ako. Kasi pag nagagalit ako, cute lang ako. Di ba nakakatawa? Sometimes, people are told that they are too old, too thin, too fat, too plus-sized to be whoever they want to be. And palagi natin yung na-experience as women every single day. And sometimes feeling natin, even though we are doing our best with whatever we have, sometimes, hindi lang sometimes, we always feel that it's never enough. But the thing is, we don't fit in boxes. So, kaya ko sinulat ng kantang ito. If you're struggling with that, na feeling mo hindi ka enough, feeling mo you're not doing your best, feeling mo hindi ka tama para sa oportunidad na gusto mo, then I hope you feel that you are not alone. And this song is for you. This is Numbers.
The perfect body, fighting statistics. 22 to 25, do I still have the right BMI? 22 to 24, can I still lose 2 inches more? 5'4" to 5'9", what do I do to reach that height? All the numbers don't lie, but is it the truth to believe? If I'm happy or if I'm rich or poor, if I'm moving or stuck, if I'm wise or fool, if I'm doing my best, trying to get out of this mess, will I still be alright? though the numbers don't lie.